Understanding picture clues in English learning. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the concept of picture clues in English language learning. This is a fantastic tool for enhancing your comprehension and vocabulary skills. So, let's dive in and learn how picture clues can make your English learning journey more engaging and effective. Picture clues refer to visual aids that help in understanding the meaning of words or phrases in English. These can be actual pictures, illustrations, or any visual representation that gives hints or insights into the text. They are particularly useful for beginners and those who are visual learners. By associating words with images, learners can more easily remember and understand new vocabulary. Picture clues are not just fun, they are a powerful learning tool. They help in enhancing vocabulary. Connecting words to images can improve memory and recall. Improving comprehension. Visuals can provide context to the text, making it easier to understand. Engaging different learning styles. They cater to visual learners and make learning more inclusive. To make the most of picture clues, follow these tips. 1. Look at the picture before reading the text. Try to guess what the text might be about. 2. Associate the image with words. Link new vocabulary with elements in the picture. 3. Create a story. Use the picture to tell a story that incorporates new words. 4. Practice regularly. Incorporate picture clues into your daily learning. Let's go through some examples. Here, you can show pictures and associate them with new words or phrases, explaining how the picture helps in understanding the meaning. And that's a wrap on picture clues in English learning. I hope this video helps you see how visuals can greatly enhance your language learning experience. Remember, learning English can be fun and engaging with the right tools. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.